Hello everybody, this is Talukushenungani Dlamini and I will be showing you the final submission of my POE. This will be an integrated version from parts 1 and 2 into a graphic user interface from a console app. If you see here the home page, let me just close this quickly. This will be the home page where the person will be able to will enter first thing when they enter the chat into the whole web page. It'll immediately give them three options. Do you want to see cybersecurity questions, which will initiate the chatbot? Do they want to play a game on their knowledge of cybersecurity, or do they just want to exit the app, which is what the following three are? If you go to the CS, it'll show you the connection between the three. So if when they click the cybersecurity button, they'll immediately go to the cybersecurity page, and when they click the game page button, they'll immediately go to the game page. In the cybersecurity, it would have very similar to the console app, but integrated the the GUI. Very formatic, allowing the person to write messages into it and having it displayed back. This is the code. It's very similar to part one in terms of code, but just integrated back into a GUI, removing all the console application, putting back the voice greeting, add a bot message, loading effect to make it seem more human, to feel more personalized, a design logo to show the app, the same click, allowing the person to um, input the prompts into the chatbot for the answers and ask them clear when the message is done. Is displaying tip if the person takes time. If the person doesn't not take time, sorry, it will display a message if they do not ask a correct question. If they don't ask a correct question, display tip of day would immediately play and ask do they want it. If they don't, they will immediately just say no worries, let me know if you want any other questions. Help in case the user doesn't know what prompts they can ask, and it will display it. And then the exit button, of course. The exit button, this will immediately save the chat history for if next time they come back, it will allow them to allow the chatbot to understand their preferences. Add bot message saying goodbye and immediately shut down the application right after. Contains keys showing the actual responses, as course the bot showing budgeting tips. And if the bot doesn't understand, they'll say, sorry, I don't understand. Try asking about these certain subjects. Add in a bot message, add in the user message that will eventually save into the saved chat history. Awareness for the S key logo. File path, this is the try and catch for the audio. In case the audio doesn't work, it will show a display error. Tips for the day, which is shown, and unloading effect. I changed it a bit based off some research. I changed it to auto Java items for a delay, different from what we did in class. And this is save chat history, allowing the history to be saved. The history will be saved to a chat history text file. to be read later on if the person ever returns. It was screenwriter, so writer, screenwriter writes equals new screenwriter. So every line will be, so this will be the constructor by allowing the user to, the text file to write a new line depending on who's asking the question. And yeah, this will be the end of the cybersecurity. This will be the game page, which doesn't look like much, but once actually done, will be nice. This is the questions. Of course, this is the game. It's a multiple choice question. So if the person said, "Do you accept the link from an unknown email or site?" Yes or no, and it will tell the first the we'll say or answer no, since it'll start from zero, incrementing from zero. So zero will be yes, and one allow it to ask five questions. This is the answer click, so this will be where it will be routed in the stack panel to show the answers. Submit click, so when the person is finished, I will calculate the question to answers and show the results. You say you scored this out of this, and then the dependency and child and everything to show the what is it again? Sorry. To show what it takes from find child parent, basically taking objects from the parent class into the child class and using it to run the function. And yeah, that is my project. And yeah, and thank you for everything. Hope you having a wonderful day. And thank you for watching.